Hello everyone, my name is Subhan, and I'm here to share tips that can change your life. If you want 2025 to be your richest year yet, this video is for you. Let's get started. Building wealth. First, it's important to have a strong foundation. Rule number 1, save before you spend. Set aside 20% of your income every month. Rule number 2, eliminate high-interest debt. Clear your credit card or loan debt as soon as possible. Invest smartly. Investing is the key to financial freedom. Here's where to start. Option number 1, index funds. Low risk with long-term stable growth. Option number 2, real estate. If large investments aren't possible, start with REITs, real estate investment trusts. Option number 3, emerging markets. Look for opportunities in AI and green energy sectors. Rule number 3, create multiple income streams. Never rely on just one source of income. Start a side hustle, freelance, or invest in dividend-paying stocks for passive income. Rule number 4, learn and adapt. Wealth comes to those who are ready to learn and adapt. Explore new finance trends every week and keep upgrading your knowledge. Friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I post new finance tips every week. Your support is my motivation. Don't miss the next video where I'll share more secrets to making money.